I don't know a life, you know, nobody not perfect, you see me? Go on more time, I have to just push up and know so I saw it, but you see it? Can't do kill yourself more time over a certain thing. You see it? Yeah. Shockstar C4, 6.
Yeah, man, make them know in a driver 876 out here, you know? Like all the time. How far would I do the review up on Shockstar brand new single called Can't Stop, you see me? Produced by Braga Phelps Record, you see me? Out the east side, you know, make them know St. Thomas thing. Up and running. So bro gotta tell us, say, yo, in your life, no matter what, no matter the obstacles and the struggles you face, just keep on press on, you see it? No matter what, they can't stop you. One little obstacle or one little mistake. Now make you hold your back out. Now make it get the best of you, you see me? I just saw it thing, that man I try to tell you. So me a good one in a song, I make couldn't hear what I go on. Then me explain to you upon a more, you see me? English level so you can understand, you know, because we kind of English different, you know, we dialect not normal, you see me? So I have to break it down to you so you can fully understand. So just go and listen.
Wake up with my foot in a cast, but me know me coulda in a casket. In the sun me want boss, so please try to full up my basket. Yeah, my foot hot on the tire, but the end of the road I'm a target. And I know
The deaf, yeah, man, say wake up with him foot in a cast, but you know you coulda in a casket, you know what that mean. You see it? He man know say, yo, he think situation coulda worse. A dead him coulda dead. So you see any situation where life throw at him from once he not dead and he have life and health and strength same way, he give thanks, he just go and move on and pick up the pace, you see me? Cause he no watch that, cause he know say in a road and target. So from once he no get drop out, once he not dead, you see me? Or he no get fuck up, you see me? I go just go and do the right thing until he reach a goal. So that's that bro gotta tell him, man.
time my mother hungry till I skin mark. Now the kitchen turn market. So we go hard, we never start and stop. Till the garage look like a parking lot. Now me stepping on the street and girls them a shout out. 6 close friends still call me.
The deaf, yeah man say when go hard, he never start and stop, you see me? Enough time some people have the vision, have the aim, you know, but then go off fire and like then ease back. True, then see things not really happen instantly, but you can't watch that, man. You have to just keep on put in the hard work, just do the right thing, you see it? Put in the work and the work will pay off and show for itself. Hey, man, I tell you, say, you just do the right thing until right now in garage look like a parking lot. As me car mat. In can't have space to walk around. In mother kitchen come like a market, the amount of food in there. They're not hungry again. You can't eat whatever they want, you see it? Life change. Kind of sad do the work, you see it? Just do the work and I put it out there and make people understand and know say you are this. 6, you see it, man. Strong and man go through whole heap of struggles and man face it the hard way. I'm just make you know say yo, I saw it thing go and I saw we do it. Firm ground.
And draw over me like a cardigan. For the fans start jump like carnival. We make money like a lotto, cheese like nacho. Them know some man real like Arsenal. Yeah, and when times hard, me never cuss, me never ball. Say me work hard, shame them like dog, can't stop.
Yeah man, make them know, you know, dog say you work hard. Shame them like dog, you see it? Make them shame with the success when put in, you see me? Yeah man. Man say in real like Madrid, man, make cheese like Nacho. You see me? You never cuss, you never ball. You see me? So you know watch your hard times, you know watch who did I make it and you know complain. You just do film thing and I put out the work. You see me? As me say. So I eat, man.
I train with the bricks, them gone. And when times hard, me never cuss, me never ball. Work hard, shame them like dog. Braga Phelps, them can't stop we in and at all. Like train when the brakes, them gone. Say them can't stop me. Like a train without brakes. Work hard in the street every day we out here and
The deaf, man say yo, them can't stop me like a train without brakes. You know what that mean? You know, like from them time when them a tell about runaway train. Yeah man, unstoppable. Yeah, them kind of style, them man. The man know that for a long time. Unstoppable, you see it? Man, yo, just do the work, just do the right thing. They can never stop you. You see me?
from me a little youth, me gonna tell me, make sure you are pray with faith. Cause every big fire starts from a little flame. People still judge when them never see a pain. So me put in the work every day. Come on, my life. Them can't stop we in and I sound like train when the brakes them gone. Say them can't stop me. Like a train without brakes, work hard in the street every day we out here and from me a little youth, me gonna tell me, make sure you are pray with faith. Cause every big fire starts from a little flame. People still judge when them never see a pain. So me put in the work every day. Come on, my life mitigate, yeah. And when times hard.
Yeah, deaf man say yo when times hard, man. You just go and hold the faith, you see it, cause you know say yo then can't stop him none at all. Unstoppable, like a runaway train. The man say you remember when his man and granny tell him say yo pray with faith, you see it? Cause she know every little fire start from a flame, you see it? Every fire start from a flame, so you know that you have to just have faith and believe in your thing. You see me? Until the life mitigate, till the life start change, things start up on a different level. You see me? Yeah man, and Shockstar I tell you man just to do the right thing and hold a composure in yourself and firm ground, you see it? You see me? But I get carried away, just do the right thing man. Even sometimes some things happen in your life. Nobody make you feel like say you can't get the best of you. Can't stop you. You see it? Right, man.
Me never cuss, me never ball. Say me work hard, shame them like that. Can't stop like train with the brakes them gone. And when times hard, me never cuss, me never ball. Work hard, shame them like dog. Brother Phelps, them can't stop we in and at all like train when the brakes them gone. So we go hard, we never start and stop till the garage look like a parking lot. Now me stepping on the street and girls them a shout out.
Deaf, the driver entertainment, make them know 6 out here, so. Yeah man. And remember to share, like and subscribe to the driver entertainment. Is it? And stay in tune for more reviews. Is it? And more dancehall updates like all the time. Make them know. We out here.